I see in preparation for the tropical storm, they've packed up all the chairs. Do you see? No more pool chairs. So that is a clear indication that this one is going to be different from the first one we've experienced. And I think maybe me and Andrew must go do some shopping this evening, just to get some nibblies. We're going to be stuck at home for a day or two. So I'll take you along that ride with me. Check the palm trees. They've been blowing for a few days. The weather hasn't been great. It's cooled down nicely the past week, which I've been enjoying because, oh, this side is better. Because that means that I can actually breathe without this heat in my face. But I will keep you updated on the tropical storm that's due to hit tomorrow.
Can I just compare?
En dis wat ons alles gekoop het. Dis sommer groceries en hurricane rush en alles in een. Donuts, kaaskoek, botter, pizza, vleis, roomys, brood. So ja, a bit of everything. Okay. Just want to show you what it looks like. Look at this. It's freaking insane. It is busy. There's cars everywhere. I don't know. That's not a good view. But this parking lot is chock and block. It is what? 7:30 at night. The roads are busy. So we just finished shopping. We somewhere did our weekly shop on top of the hurricane shop, but I've never seen anything like it. It's like old friends getting together inside the shop, bumping fists with each other, trolley bashing, saying hi to people. It was a very nice atmosphere, but not tense at all. The guys were very relaxed. I enjoyed it. It was not the best thing to shop the night before a hurricane, but at least we have some food if anything has to happen, and we'll keep you updated. Hi guys, so we're expecting the storm today at lunch, but look at this. There's hardly any wind. There's blue skies. I don't know. If you didn't know it was coming, you won't know. I think yeah, we that don't know better will actually get into trouble if we don't pay attention. Okay, so I'm going to take you outside, show you what the weather is like. The last update I saw on the storm, it was reduced by a lot. I'll show you outside. It's not stormy weather at all. It's actually quite nice, but the winds and the stuff might pick up during the night. So by tomorrow morning it might be a different story, but I'm going to post an update now, so I'll show you what the weather is like. There we go. Can't really see much, it's very dark, but there's plants, there's some wind, not a lot. Very I'm going to show you a puddle or something. There's some trees. Like you can see, not a massive storm, in my opinion. So yeah, let's go back inside and get this video posted.